Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with another wedding guest makeup tutorial. For that I've created this brown and gold glittery halo eye look. Recently I got a few requests to create a look that is very beginner friendly, that is appropriate for all my teenage girls out there, and that is appropriate for salwar suits, anarkali, etc. That doesn't mean you cannot wear this look with sari. You can definitely wear this look with sari as well. Before starting, if you are new here, then welcome to my channel and I am Neeta. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. For that, go to your YouTube app, press that red subscribe button. Also press the bell icon next to it so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video, and it is absolutely free. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm taking my Maybelline TattooStudio Brow Pomade in the shade Black Brown, and I'm just drawing the borders of my brows first, then I'll be filling them up using smaller hair-like strokes. If you guys want an updated eyebrow routine, let me know. I'll be more than happy to make it for you. Recently, I made some changes in my eyebrow routine and I'm loving it. Now with the spoolie, I'm just combing my brows so that the product is well saturated. With a concealer, I'm just carving out the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. Whenever I'm doing a party makeup, I always follow this step. You can definitely try it, it makes a huge difference. I'm applying the concealer on my eyelids as well to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows that is coming up next. I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. The concealer that I used is the E.L.F 16R Camo concealer. Now with my Coty Airspun loose powder, I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. For my eyes, first I'm taking Copycat from my Colourpop whatever palette, and I'm just warming up my crease with a large blending brush. This color is a very nice warm toned brown color, and I'm just building up the pigmentation because I do not want any kind of patchiness, and I'm just intensifying it until or unless I'm happy with the intensity. So I'm almost happy with the way it's looking now, and I'm going to take the next shade from the same palette, which is this particular shade called Pass It On. It is a very nice warm toned brown color. It has a very nice reddish brick red kind of undertone to it, and I'm applying it on my outer V area, on my inner corner, and then I'll be connecting those two corners through my crease. The brush that I'm using is from E.L.F Cosmetics. I'm just connecting those two corners through my crease to create a nice halo look. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade 100 Molten Gold, and with my finger I'm just applying it on the center part of my eyelid, and you can see it's a beautiful golden highlighter. You can totally wear it as your eyeshadow as well, and if you are someone who is not willing to wear glitter, then definitely you can leave the look here. Now taking Pass It On again, I'm just blending out the edges so that there is a smooth gradient effect and there is no harsh line at all. I'm taking my NYX Glitter Primer and I'm applying it on top of the golden highlighter that I just applied. It will create a sticky base for my glitter. And I'm taking this particular glitter called Duh. It is a beautiful golden pressed glitter, and I'm applying it on top of the highlighter that I just applied. One thing I want to quickly mention, if you are using this particular palette and if you want to use that particular pressed glitter, always apply a glitter primer underneath. Other than that, the glitter will not stick to your eyelid and you will have tremendous fallout, which is not cute, right? So my advice is always use a glitter glue. Now I'm just deepening up my outer V area as well as my inner corner using the same shade called Pass It On. Now I'm just drawing a wing using my Wet n Wild MegaLiner in the shade Jet Black. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base, then I will return to my eye makeup again. But before doing that, I'm just wiping off the glitter fallouts from my face with a tissue. With this particular glitter, you will have a lot of fallout. For my primer, I'm taking this E.L.F Jelly Pop primer, and I'm just priming my face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. This primer is a wonder. It gives your face a nice amount of tackiness, meaning your makeup will stick to it and will become long lasting. I'm taking my PAC Pore Primer and I'm just applying it wherever I have a little bit of pores, and that is on my cheeks, on my nose. And I also like to apply this particular primer underneath my eyes. It blurs out all the fine lines, and I'm just patting it down. I'm not rubbing it at all. With all your pore filling primers, try to pat it down, do not rub it. It's time for color correcting. For that, I'm using my E.L.F Pro Conceal color corrector in the shade orange, and I'm applying it wherever I have pigmentation, dark spots, acne spots and brown spots. It will help to neutralize all those darkness underneath, and your foundation, your concealer will not look grayish in color. Whenever you are doing a full glam party look, I always suggest to use an orange color corrector. So many of you say that your foundation, your concealer look gray in color. If you color correct, it don't happen. For my foundation, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy foundation in the shade Desert Beige, and I'm just saturating it all over on my face and neck first, and then I'm blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This sponge is from Flower Beauty. I already shared with you a full in-depth review of this particular foundation. I will link it down in the description bar below in case you are interested. Talking about this foundation, it is a truly dewy foundation. It blends easily, it is very long lasting, gives you a medium to full coverage, and it is truly a dewy foundation. You can totally see it is literally reflecting light. And if you have oily skin, I won't suggest you using this particular foundation. In that case, you can use the original Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. That stuff is perfect for people with oily skin. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same E.L.F concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm applying it underneath my eyes. I'm applying just a little bit of the concealer because you do not need much. On my chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, on the center of my forehead, and on the sides of my mouth. Now I'm just blending it out again using the same damp beauty sponge. This concealer is matte. It gives you a very full coverage. It is very long lasting. It does not crease, at least on me, and I think it is a perfect dupe for Tarte Shape Tape. Now I'm taking my Coty Airspun Translucent Extra Coverage Loose Powder, and with the same damp sponge, I'm setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines. This is my most preferred way for setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines. If I do so, my concealer doesn't crease. To set my entire makeup, I'm taking this Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder in the shade Transparent, and I'm just setting my entire makeup. You can see even after setting, you can still see the glow. Now it's time for finishing my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tightlining my eyes using my Jordana Eyeliner in the shade Jet Black. You can use any kajal pencil or any gel eyeliner that you have, and I'm applying it a bit bolder because I want my eyes to look bigger and bolder. For that, it is needed. Now I'm taking Pass It On with an angled brush, and I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line, and I'm making it as smoky as possible. I'm keeping my lower lash line very simple. It's just Pass It On. I tried to use the gold shade, but it was not looking good, so I decided to stick to only Pass It On. Now I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using the same Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline. I'm curling my natural lashes with my Vega eyelash curler and applying a coat of mascara. This is my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. For my falsies, I'm using my Bepholan Fauxmink lashes, and I will mention the style as well as the purchase link in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. I totally forgot the style. And here is the final eye look. It is really easy to recreate, and it is very beginner friendly as well. I truly love the way how it turned out. Now I'm taking this Cover FX bronzer duo in the shade Sunkissed Bronze and taking the matte side on an angled brush from Wet n Wild. I'm just carving out the parameters of my face, like the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, jawline, as well as my nose. For my nose contour, I'm using an eyeshadow brush from Wet n Wild. I'm taking the shimmer side from the palette and I'm just bronzing up my face. The matte side is used for contouring and the shimmer side is for bronzing up your face. This is the case with all your matte bronzers as well as your shimmer bronzers. For my blush, I'm mixing all the shades together from my L.A.Girl Island Hottie blush palette, and I'm just applying it on my cheeks with my Flower Beauty blush brush. And I like to apply blush on my chin as well as on my nose because I think it looks put together and it looks beautiful. For highlighter, I'm taking the same highlighter with my Real Techniques setting brush, and I'm just hitting the high points of my face like my cheekbones, the apples of my cheeks, chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose as well as the sides of my forehead. To set my entire makeup, I am taking my Rimmel Stay Matte Setting Spray and I'm just setting my entire makeup with it. For my lips, I decided to go with something different, something very unique, and I'm using this Milani Bold Matte Color Statement lipstick in the shade 08. I'm positive. It's a very nice warm toned brown color and I think it's perfect for all skin tone. You can definitely wear a bright orange or a bright red lipstick, a maroon lipstick with this eye look, but I decided to go with a very nice unique color, and that's pretty much it. Here is the final look. I truly love the way how it turned out. It is really easy to recreate. It is very beginner friendly and it is perfect for all your Indian outfits. It can be a sari, it can be a salwar suit, it can be an anarkali suit as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. As always, for your convenience, I'm listing all the products, their purchase link, their shades, everything in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. So if you enjoyed watching this video, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel and please share this video with your friends and family. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below as well. Please do check that out. See you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.